It is scarce. If you got this song up there for for 8.
I don't buy from the street. I use tea.
God, I'm not a street boy. If I'm a street boy, I will do the business. How about that? How about that? I can get a better deal than you. Each phone I buy from T-Mobile, I get $500 off. Would you believe it? I have a business account with T-Mobile, but that's by the way. How they go? That Samsung is a nice phone. You should get it. It has 2 types. This regular one. This one they did it like BlackBerry keys. Then,
I buy from T-Mobile shop.
It's all the same. It's okay to buy direct from them. That's the people that supply me for the having. I open up like a partnership with them, but I don't have a full shop. I'm on the road. Just to the the chairman. That's the motor since. Now charging $5,000. It's okay. When you see the God bless. I don't sell you 2023. 2023. December 23. I gave you phone to give my brother. The government alcohol. That you go sold my phone. That's how you know the man will scam me to retrieve my money. But you know the people that say she's a Hollywood actress in Enugu. But what she does is to fuck the whole sugar daddies. That's Galaxy right there, bro. You didn't even see me coming. You couldn't see me coming. Imagine if I had intent to hurt him. This guy held my phone. Phone I paid for Governor Pino, big brother. 1 terabyte for my project. Held me down. And I keep on calling. That's fucking Timothy Anyanwu, the fucking nigger.